Hi, this is John Santiago from Pristine Stangs. We are here at Newnan, Georgia at the Blood, Sweat and Gears car show for cruisers. I got to introduce you the pilot and also the host of this car show. I hope that you enjoy this episode of the show. Thank you all. Over here with Shawn, the host, organizer of this car show. He got to piss, so I also had to go piss too. He's the president of Blood, Sweat and Gears.
I shake it more than twice. I'm playing with it. If he shakes it more than twice, it's all right.
This man is awesome. So he did a great job on this car show, on this event. So I want to introduce also the pilot of the next video that you go to see for this episode of the show. I hope that you all enjoy. Thank you all. We are here with Bill Maddox. He's a member of Blood, Sweat and Gears, and he's the one who flew the drone. He's pretty much the producer of the next video that you go to see. He's a professional on his skills and experience as a drone pilot. And I hope that you enjoy the next video of this episode of the show. Thank you all.
Saw a picture of us in crop tops with bare stomachs. Late dazzling teens, liberated party queens, friends with vomit. Was it lost it in resistance as somewhere in the depths of me? Every part of me